Hi, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about new chart types available in spreadsheet. Let's move on to the document module and choose a spreadsheet from the document module. And in this case, we can just use the command palette in order to get the charts. So use Control K over here and you can search for charts. As you click on search charts here, you can find different types of charts available. So under the design, you could find the chart. You can just give the chart title. And here we have different types of charts also. So if you want to find the data series, you can get that. And let's move on to the configuration. And in this, you can find the chart type. So here we have the chart type, which is, this is the new chart type, which is available, which is radar. And if you want to change it into the other chart, that is filled radar, you can also just get that. So these are the new charts available in this spreadsheet. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.